who are at the lower cadre, because you campaigned on the platform of bottom-up economic transformation agenda. I was not with you in that, but I am now a student of that, and I've learned very well. I understand bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Now, those who are earning 30,000 and below, we are saying should pay zero tax. And by the way, it is not just those who are earning 30,000 and below. Any money that you earn, which is 30,000 and below, even if you are earning $1 million, your 30,000 will also not be taxed. And then someone says that is not good enough. Look at how much that 6,000, from 24,000, which is not attracting tax today, to 30,000, is 6,000. Tax on 6,000 was 25%, a quarter of it, 1,500. Then someone is saying that is nothing. It is nothing to you because you're earning $1 million. But the person who is earning 30,000, it is a lot to give back that person 1,500. So wacha madarau, wacha kudarau wao watu. They feel it, and by the way, when I meet police officers, they are very happy. They are very excited with us, Your Excellency. The teachers who are earning 30,000 are very excited. And we have even gone a step further to propose that even the next 20,000, instead of taxing it at 30%, we tax it at 25%. That is another 5% off. That's another 1,000 shilling. It is nothing to you because your lunch is 10,000. But that person who survives on 6,000 per week, adding them 2,000, 3,000 is a lot of money. And that is what we intend to do. We want to give money to people who want to, we think if they get that money, it will make a difference. Lastly, if you say it is campaign, it is okay. Even you are campaigning. That is why you are scandalizing the 1,500 that we are giving these people. If it is campaign tool and it gives money back to the pockets of Kenyans, it is okay. It's a good campaign strategy. Your Excellency, we should continue with this campaign strategy so that Kenyans can get more money into their pockets. Anyway, let me not change. This is your day, Your Excellency. Let me not make it my day. I have my days elsewhere. I've been doing a lot of public participation on Safaricom. I think Kenyans have generally agreed now that we need to divest in Safaricom, create a pool of wealth to put into our national infrastructure fund and do bankable projects, public infrastructure projects. We have also done quite well in KPC. Kenyans, I'm sure, are buying shares in KPC. Your Excellency, allow me to take this opportunity and ask all of us to rise up and welcome His Excellency, the President of the State, to speak to us. Thank you very much. So we can give him a round of applause. Amen. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, let's take our seats. Asante sana. I think the Honorable Mbadi has earned the title